Jai Gurudev students. So today we are going to discuss some questions which we usually use in our offline exams. I know that now due to this situation, we all are aware of that situation. We are doing all the things in online. We are taking exams in online also. But in coming years, maybe in 2021 or 2022, whatever it is, we need to again go for offline exams. There we should not be improper for the exam. We should be ready for the exam, and for that only we will practice these questions. Okay, those who are in class 3, you will promoted into class 4, and then when you need to do these questions, you should not be confused. You should be ready for those questions. You should be ready with your statements for these questions. Okay, so we will not waste time. We will start. At first we will read these questions. See, draw a line segment. This one is question number 1. Draw a line segment AB. This one is question number 2. Draw a line segment AB of 22 centimeter. This question is number 3. So my first question is, what are the difference between these 3 questions? Basically these 3 questions are same. In each case you can see draw a line segment, draw a line segment, draw a line segment. That means in each questions we need to draw line segments. Simple. Now what is the difference between these? Sorry, what are the difference actually? What are the difference between these 3 questions? At first you can see they have simply given that draw a line segment. You can draw it by yourself. No length is there. The point name has not been given, or you can say the line segment name has not been given, so we can draw by ourselves. Okay, it's our choice. In second, draw a line segment AB. They have given the point name also. The point name, we can say the line segment name also. The line segment name has been given AB. So here we can't use PQ or RS or anything else. In question number 3, draw a line segment AB of 22 centimeter. In question number 3, all bindings are there. You need to draw a line segment. You need to draw the length which has been given by the question setters or by the teacher. Here what will happen? Your teacher will give you a particular length. With that length only you can draw the line segment. Okay, otherwise the number will be deducted. And AB, again the point name has been given. Instead of AB, your teacher may give you PQ also, RS also. It depends upon your teacher. Okay, but you can't use by yourself. If the teacher has given you PQ, you can't use AB or BC or CD or D, whatever it is. And one of the most important thing, when we give a name to a point, we should use capital letter B or C or A or P, Q. We should use capital letter. No small letter will be allowed here. If we write B or C or D, it will not be allowed. Okay, it will not be accepted. So point name will be in capital letter. So we will not waste time. We will start. I am showing you the C number because these 2 you can practice easily in your home. And with this we need to write the statements also. So what statement? We will see it. At first I am rubbing these 2 questions. I have given 22 centimeter because my whiteboard is a little bit big. That's why I need to do it 22 centimeter, otherwise it will be difficult for you to identify it. Okay, so I am rubbing one of the name because otherwise you may get confused. Okay, so at first what will we do? We take a scale, we will place it here. Okay, and after that we will mark the point 22 centimeter. So with the sharp pencil you need to point the 0 here. Here is the 0. Yes, pointed. and measuring 22 centimeter, the next point will be here. So this one is 22 centimeter line segment will come. Till now it's not been written. So the point name is P and the second one is Q. So we will now just simply draw it here. You can give the name after drawing also. Okay, so it has been completed, P and Q. Okay, now something we need to know that instead of writing P here and Q here, we can write it in this way also, Q or P. But as we are starting now, so we will go for the simple one. This one is simple because P and Q is coming with their order, respective order. And the next thing is, if anyone asks me a question, sir, sir, if I don't want to draw this line segment in this way, I may draw in this way. In that case, is it okay or not? It will be considered as the correct one or wrong one. Yes, you can draw in this way also. It will be considered as a correct one, but we follow this one because when we are at the starting point of any chapter or any topic or any concept, we should use the easy process, or we should use the process which we are using usually. Okay, we will not go for the exceptional drawing or exceptional process or exceptional method. That's why I have given in this way. I have drawn in this way. Now I am rubbing this. Now the line segment has been finished. Okay, now what will we do? We need to write a statement here. Okay, we need to write a statement. So what statement we will write? Draw a line segment of PQ. Okay, PQ, we will not give this one. Okay, PQ is a line segment of 22 centimeters. So PQ is a line segment, PQ হচ্ছে একটা line segment of 22 centimeter, 22 centimeter একটা line segment. Or we can write, okay, I'm rubbing this one. This one is number 1, I can say, or we can write PQ is a line segment which has the length of 22 centimeter. PQ is a line segment which has the length of 22 centimeters. Okay, in this way you can also write. So I think this one is the standard one and this one is the easier considering this one. So you can write this one. I am marking it because for me this one is the simpler one, which anyone can write if they practice. So we will go for the next one now. Now the second one. So first of all we need to read the question. I'm again telling again and again that we need to read the question when we get the question. Okay, after reading properly we can answer it properly. This can be from addition, from subtraction, from multiplication, division, any chapter. So let's read it first. Draw two line segments. কি বলেছে দুটো লাইন সেগমেন্ট ড্র করো, PQ and QR. Their name has been given, PQ and QR, which will meet at a point Q. These two line segments PQ and QR will meet at a point Q. That means এই দুটো লাইন সেগমেন্ট একটা পয়েন্টে গিয়ে একজন আরেকজনের উপর দিয়ে চলে যাবে। তো ওইখানে যে একটা আরেকটা উপর দিয়ে যদি চলে যায় বা একটা পয়েন্টে এসে যদি ওদের দুজনের দেখা হয়, তাহলে ওই যে পয়েন্টটা হবে ওই পয়েন্টটাকে ওই পয়েন্টের নাম দেওয়া হবে কিউ। ওকে, নাও if this kind of question creates confusion in your mind, so better to follow this formula which I am telling you. At first we can, okay, one thing we need to remember, see, in this whole question the measurement has not been given, so we can choose by ourselves. We can choose 7 centimeter, we can choose 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 11 centimeter by our choice. 3 centimeter can be chosen, but what the problem is there, 2 or 3 centimeter, when you draw 2 or 3 centimeter line segments, it is quite messy or quite problematic for the teacher who is checking this, because they need to check whether your basic is clear or not. So we will go for a greater length or a larger length like 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 10 centimeter, which can be easily identified by your teacher. Okay, so again draw 2 line segments PQ and QR. Now I am facing problem how PQ and QR will meet. So what will we do? We will draw 2 line segments just roughly in our multiplication, division or addition, subtraction. We wish to do the rough work here, or some of you do the rough work here. Like this way in geometry also we will do a rough work if we face any problem. So we will give the name P, Q, and this one is Q and R. So you can see these Q's are common. That means we can write it this way also, P. These Q are common. That means these 2 end point will be together, will be attached together, and the P and R will be in separate position. So we can understand, if we draw like this way, P and R, and these 2 points, as these 2 are Q, the point name is same. That means these 2 will come here, and see PQ and QR is meeting at a point Q. PQ and QR is meeting at a point Q. So now we need to now we have done the rough work. Now we need to do the main portion of this question. Okay, so again I am taking a scale, and as length has not been given to us and this is not fixed, so we will do by ourselves. Suppose PQ and QR. Okay, I am taking the length of 13 centimeter, and for vertical line segment 10 centimeter. So this one is 13, this one is 10. So P, Q, R. Now again we need to write. Okay, I am writing here 13 centimeter and 10 centimeter, but it's not necessary in case of these questions. If you are asked to write this, then only you can write. Otherwise it's up to you. It's not mandatory if the length is not mentioned here. Okay, so PQR. Okay, we will go for, now we need to write. Okay, before going to the statement, or before going to the point where we need to write, I would like to say it's not necessary to draw this line segment in this way. You can draw in this way also, P, Q, R, or you can draw in this way also, P, Q, R. In each cases the drawing will be considered as a right one. প্রত্যেকবারই সেটাকে সঠিক ধরা হবে। এমন কোনো কথা নেই যে এটা এইভাবে আমি এঁকে দিয়েছি দেখে PQR এইভাবে আঁকতে হবে, তোমরা এইভাবেও আঁকতে পারো। আর যদি তোমাদেরকে এখানে লেংথটা দেওয়া না হয়, তাহলে সেই ক্ষেত্রে তোমরা নিজেদের ইচ্ছা মতো লেংথ নিতে পারো, এবং স্টেটমেন্টের মধ্যে যদি ইচ্ছা হয় তাহলে লিখতে পারো। কিন্তু যদি তোমাদেরকে লেংথটা এই কোশ্চেনের মধ্যে দিয়ে দেওয়া হয় যে PQ 10 সেন্টিমিটার হবে, QR 13 সেন্টিমিটার হবে, তাহলে কিন্তু তোমাদেরকে মেজারমেন্টটা বা লেংথটা লিখতেই হবে, তখন এটা ম্যান্ডেটরি। বাট যদি না দেওয়া হয় তাহলে এটা ম্যান্ডেটরি না। এবার আমরা চলে যাচ্ছি স্টেটমেন্টে। কি স্টেটমেন্ট লিখবো আমরা? PQ equals to 10 centimeter and QR equals to 13 centimeter, or we can use bracket because it's not mandatory, it's optional point in this question. So PQ comma QR are the line segments comma meet at a point Q. Therefore Q is the point of intersection here. This last line is optional. যেখানে বলা হয়েছে কিউ হচ্ছে গিয়ে পয়েন্ট অফ ইন্টারসেকশন, মানে একটা আরেকটার সাথে গিয়ে যে জায়গায় মিলেছে সেই জায়গাটাকে বলা হয় পয়েন্ট অফ ইন্টারসেকশন। এটা অপশনাল, এটা তোমরা না লিখলেও অসুবিধা নেই, এটা অপশনাল। And this one is also optional when you are not asked to draw a line segment with a particular length. So this one should be our answer. Okay, now you can pause the video and you can write it down, and we will move for the next one. I'm showing you another example.